Hey guys, how's it going? Say I'm working on a Singer 201-2 this afternoon, and I thought let's throw together a quick video on how to take out the bobbin case. I've got the feed dogs off the machine, the needle plate is off, and the slide plate is off. So what you want to do to get this out is turn it to this position. You can see the hooks right here. I'm going to turn it so it just lines up with this plate right here, and what I'm going to do is, well, actually I'm going to go a little further. What I'm going to do is start on this side. There's a little square area, so if you have a small screwdriver you can just push this over out of the way, and with my finger here push that out of the way, pick up on this piece a little bit, and then just work this other. There's another tab over here, work this over out of the way, and you should be able to pick this part out of here. You're going to have to slide it back. It's a lot harder when you're not trying to block the camera. Slide it back out of there. This is the piece you're going to be taking out right here, and then you can just lift your bobbin case out and clean in this area under here, the hook part. That rotates around. You can clean that out. Clean this on both sides, and then when you get ready to put this back in, just put a little bit of oil right on this recessed metal area here. You're going to drop this back in, and you're going to make sure you're lining up this tab with this cutout on this piece of metal. Then we're going to put the retaining ring back in here. First I'll go over on this side, push it in. You're gonna have to keep this point right behind this area. Push it in like that, and slowly, see how that point is right here? Slowly work that down. Slide it, turn it slowly. You might have to hold your hand wheel. I've just cleaned the machine, so everything's working pretty smoothly for me here. And over on this side, I just pull this tab back with my screwdriver, and then I'll have to work it ahead a little bit just until it clicked in. Now this is back in this notch, this is back under here. This is supposed to wiggle a little bit to let the thread go through, and there you go. You just took that out, cleaned it, and put it back in. Alright, hope that helps everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video, helps out the channel. I looked at my analytics and only a small number of people subscribe, so I'm making shorter videos now. I think people just want a quick answer to a question. That's why they look at the video. Alright, thanks. That's it.